Hey guys, it's Lizzie. So I'm going on my first ever trip with my baby tomorrow. We're flying home to visit family for Christmas. We're going to be gone for 2 weeks. So this is going to be an OG what I'm packing video. I used to make these all the time when I started my channel when I was in high school and college. So I plan matching outfits with me and my baby for 8 days, and then I'm going to repeat the outfits. I'm also going to show my pumping breastfeeding equipment that I'm bringing on the plane and just all the other baby stuff for traveling. And then on Instagram, I'm going to make a reel of the whole traveling with a baby experience. Let's get into the video. So the first outfit I'm bringing, Christmas family pajamas. So my husband and I got the same ones. And then we got this outfit, PJ outfit for our baby. Next, I am wearing this purple sweater with jeans. And then we have this outfit, Daddy's Little Girl, for our baby with the butterfly pants. The next outfit I have is this pink lace shirt and then a little flower onesie with these pants. Next, I have jeans and a blue like chiffon type fabric and my favorite onesie with the zebra. And then hummingbird pants. Next outfit for me is a pink sweater with a pink tank top if it gets too hot. And then this is one of my favorite outfits for our baby, and I paired it with some tights since it's gonna be cold. So next I have a lot of red themed clothes for Christmas. So we're gonna start over here. My best friend got this for me. It's a sweater that says festive and this really cool lettering, and I'm gonna wear it with pink skinny jeans and then this adorable outfit for our baby. Next outfit is this red shirt that's actually breastfeeding friendly. That's one of the reasons I got this, but it's perfect for Christmas. And I'm just gonna pair it with jeans. And then my baby's outfit is this long sleeve flower onesie with some pink pants. Next, I have this really beautiful wraparound dress that goes to the floor. I'm gonna wear this white turtleneck crop top sweater over it and then leggings under it with tall boots. And then my baby's matching outfit is this white and red dress. Then next, I have this oversized red plaid shirt. I'm gonna wear a tank top under it with jeans. And this is my baby's outfit for it. We got this from a friend. It's so cute. So I don't know if we're gonna do this on Christmas Eve or if this is gonna be her Christmas mass outfit, one of the two. And then the final outfit is pink and red. This is a very like Liz color scheme. So this is also a breastfeeding dress that goes really long. So I'm gonna wear leggings under it with tall boots. And then I'm also going to be wearing this cropped turtleneck sweater with it. And then with this, we have these red overalls and we're gonna put a long sleeve shirt with it. So then I'm starting to gather all my other stuff. This has my entire makeup, which I'm so proud of. This is the only makeup I'm bringing. So I have all my brushes here. And then this I've had for literally years. This is the Pillow Talk, a matte lip gloss that dries and stays on for so long. I love the color. I'm using this. It's like a hot pink shimmery eyeshadow. I'm using it for my blush currently. This is from the Selena Gomez line. It's a highlighter. Then I have my foundation, a mini concealer from the same company, and then Better Than Sex eyeliner and Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using the waterproof because I notice if I do my makeup one day and don't take it off, I still kind of have makeup on the next day, which I kind of like. All my makeup remover, reusable pads, and then we're bringing our baby a spoon, a bib to eat with. I'm bringing my breast pump to mix it with food. And we're bringing these reusable milk pouches that hold 9 ounces and then also single ones just because I'm scared, like what if something happens to me? I want to have some milk there. Because our plane ride is so long and we also have to bring presents for people, I didn't want to bring a ton of my frozen milk there, so I thought instead I would pump a lot once I got there and keep it in the freezer just in case something happens. I still have to put all of my bipolar medication in this. I'm just gonna put it with my vitamins for each day. I think it'll be easier than all the bottles. And then these, well, that's my Bible. These are some of the presents that we have to bring on the airplane. I really wanted to wrap all the presents at home because we're gonna get there on December 23rd at night, and so it'd be more convenient to already have them wrapped. But one time my sister, she had wrapped presents in her checked bag and they unwrapped all the presents, and so there's a chance TSA could unwrap everything. So I think we're gonna wait to wrap until we get there. So it is the next day now, so I have my clothes in the packing cubes, and then I have a few other things to pack for us. So I have my pajamas and then a few pajama sets for my baby. So I'm going to put that in this bag. Then I put a lot of her toys in this bag. That's going to be on my personal item coming onto the airplane. This is a scarf I'm going to use for it being cold. These are the microfiber cloths to clean up her throw up, drool, anything like that. Socks on the airplane to be cozy if it's cold. This has all of my toiletries in it. I got it when giving birth and it's so great for travel too. Then I have my perfume. I put all of my medication in this since it's going to be 2 weeks. There's exactly 14 ones, so I put my pills for each day and multivitamin in there. Then this bag has my hair vitamin that's liquid and my baby's vitamin D liquid vitamin. Then I brought this and just put all my medication in here to have a little bit extra. Right now my computer's charging, and then I'm going to put it in this bag along with everything else here. We usually use cloth diapers, but since we're traveling, we're going to use disposable and then buy more when we get to where we're going, and then some baby wipes. And then I'm also bringing this, and I have hair stuff in it.